All right, what we got is 320 and a soft pad. That way when you're going over these edges, it's gonna be nice and circular. It's not gonna be jagged. If you take the soft pad off and you go at the edge, it's gonna have a flat part on it. So you want to have the soft pad to conform to the edge. We're 320ing all these, which is 320 grit sandpaper. And then we're gonna go over it with a Scotch-Brite. We're gonna fold a piece and get the cracks right there. And then it's ready to paint.
DJ Chan on the track.
So now we got the majority of the area sanded. We'll get into these tight grooves here, and I'll just make them smooth with a folded piece of 320, and then we'll come back to the Scotch-Brite. Alright, so now that we got these sanded in 320, what we're going to do is we're going to take that red Scotch-Brite that she's using right there, but she's helping me out a lot. We're going to take the red Scotch-Brite on these and Scotch-Brite them all. Make sure we got every single, call it nook and cranny, every single edge and just make sure we got it all nice and scuffed. We're going to take a piece of 320 and get right here on these edges and the creases and stuff. Because there's a little bit of overspray. I don't know if you can see that right there, but we're gonna do that real quick. And she's almost got the grill done, so the grills will be ready to paint tomorrow. We're gonna scuff underneath the hood, get that ready to come in, finish up these pieces. They'll be ready, and all we have left is the front bumper and back bumper. Tearing the cut. This is your red Scotch-Brite right here, 3M. I'm gonna take this and just scuff every single edge that you can get. So we got a little orange peel on the spots that the DA couldn't hit. These were already blocked before I started, so we're gonna take our red Scotch-Brite and we're just gonna scuff it up. Alright peeps, we got them in the booth, ready to roll. Here's our wheel flares. Gotta blow them off. Here's a hood, we're gonna cut this back in. We got it all scuffed up. Here's our ground effects. Got them all ready to roll. Blow them off real quick. There's our grill, nice and prepped up by T-Dog. In the morning, this will be finished. I can flip it over Sunday morning and start blocking it so we can paint it. But yeah, she's about ready. We got doors on it. We're gonna re-clear the fenders. We decided we're gonna re-clear them instead of blocking the runs out. So we're gonna do that. He's gonna clear them this weekend. And then this will be coming to an end. We're starting the inside.